After the discontinuation of the Note series, Samsung is providing S Pen with their S series devices. So this year's S24 Ultra also gets the S Pen, but does it really have the charm of the Note series? Let's find out. Welcome to S24 Ultra Tips and Tricks, and today's episode is focused on the S Pen. When the phone is locked or the screen is off, if you remove the S Pen, the Samsung Note app appears with limited functionalities. So this is the fastest way to take note. Now, as you know that there is a button on the S Pen, so if you tap and hold the button and double click on the screen, then also you can get the Samsung Note. This is useful when you already had the S Pen removed, and for your information, this works anywhere, anytime, whether the screen is on or off, or even in apps, you can get the note. So whenever you got a great idea or simply want pen and paper to take some notes, use this gesture. If you run out of space, scroll down like this. Now the S Pen can work as a wireless remote, so a single tap can unlock the phone, and if you tap and hold, you can launch any app you specified, for example the camera. So you can place your phone anywhere and use it as a secret camera. Simply tap again on the S Pen button to take pictures or videos. To enable air actions and other S Pen features, visit the settings menu, then scroll down to advanced features, S Pen, Air Actions. Enable it and select the app you want to launch with press and hold of the S Pen button, which can be your navigation keys, your specific S Pen features, or any app you have in your phone that you frequently use. Now, voice recorder is another nice tool for secret voice recording. So, with a tap and hold of the S Pen button, you launch the voice recorder, start recording voice with a single tap again on the S Pen button. So if your phone is flipped or if you are using a flip cover, your phone can really work as a secret voice recorder. Nobody can tell you are recording. It works from Bluetooth range. And about unlocking the phone using the single tap on the S Pen button, it works if you had already removed the S Pen and had unlocked the phone using the passcode. So the phone remembers that you are using the S Pen and you are the person unlocking again. So always put the S Pen back to the slot after you are done using it. Your S Pen can work like a magic wand. For example, if you tap and hold the S Pen button and do a gesture like this as shown in the pop-up here, you can perform the action of going back. For the recent key, do this. This is the direction for going back to home from any screen. Now for the opposite direction gesture of home, I've set translate app. So with a gesture like this, you can launch the built-in translate feature of Samsung Galaxy phones. So select the source and target language. Then simply hover the S Pen over any word on the screen. You see a translation and you can even learn how to pronounce the word by clicking on the speaker button. This is such an awesome feature in Samsung Galaxy phones, so I have added a shortcut here. I have enabled another air action, that is draw a zigzag line in the air to enable Bixby Vision. So with Bixby Vision you can translate any book that is in foreign language, any signboard, any menu that is in any other language. So go to the settings menu, then scroll down to advanced features, S Pen, air actions. So here you get these gestures which are called anywhere actions, and assign the task as you please. In the beginning of today's episode, I have shown you the screen of memos and quick notes. If these are not active by default, you can enable them from here. Here in the browser, tap and hold the S Pen button and flick it up or down to scroll up and down. Now this is the gesture to refresh the web page. You can do it in either direction. When you hover your S Pen over the browser, you get a mouse pointer, and you can also scroll down or scroll up by hovering at the top or bottom edge, which is called Air View. It has application in a lot of apps, like in the gallery you can hover the S Pen and get a preview of the pictures in the albums. Not just air view, air actions are also there, so you can flick left or right to slide the pictures. Alternatively, you can simply single press the S Pen button to scroll right, and with a double tap you can go back to the previous picture. Here in the music player also you can decrease or increase the volume by flicking down or upwards. Flicking right or left will skip to the next or previous song. Finally, tap on the S Pen button to play or pause the songs. You can know more about air actions or get the air command list by hovering the S Pen and pressing the S Pen button. In the calendar also, hovering the S Pen will show you a glimpse of the event of the day. Let me show you quickly how to enable air view. So in the advanced features S Pen, you get air view and you can select previews and pointer to get the previews I am showing you. Whenever you hover your S Pen over any writing field, you get the handwriting window automatically, so you can start writing with your S Pen. The keyboard will not show up. Handwriting recognition works flawlessly. The writing experience with the S Pen is almost like a pencil with pressure sensitivity with nice texture and to master handwriting with the S Pen, learn and remember these simple gestures I am going to show you now. Firstly, if you want to delete, simply strike through. While handwriting, it might happen that you accidentally add some space, so with a gesture like this, you can concatenate two words. To give space, you can draw a pipeline like this, and in addition to striking through words, you can delete like this also if you please. What about spelling mistakes or missing letters? For example, I want to insert S here, so I can draw something like this and insert S. To add space, I will draw the pipeline so you get a Galaxy S Pen. So this is how you can write long text, emails, and writing with the S Pen is real fun. I am telling you guys, you will love it.